We coolin' for the weekend, drop the top and then we out. We do this every season. Sunshades on a sunny day. Doing 80 and we switching lanes. Just keep it cool and chillin' with the bae. Don't call my phone, I hear what you say or what you say. We ain't gotta keep this on the low. Don't do it fast, we can take it slow. Show you things that you ain't seen before. Before you go, you ought to know. I won't be catching.
Hello everybody, hope your day's been alright so far. It's your boy Trix. Today we're going to be doing some more Rustlings. Sorry for the late-ish stream. I want to say it's like 50 minutes late. I was having issues with my laptop again. I done an update last week and it stopped the NVIDIA driver from being loaded. So my dedicated GPU just wasn't loading in. And I was just browsing Reddit, just trying to see if anybody on the OpenSUSE subreddit has seen it in the past week. And I came across a post where someone said that if you use Prime Select, which is just if you've used Arch Linux or like any Linux machine that handles NVIDIA GPUs and Intel GPUs or AMD GPUs with NVIDIA GPUs, it lets you switch between your integrated graphics card and your dedicated graphics card. And it said that for some reason, if you do your update when you have NVIDIA graphics loaded in and you reboot, it will unload the module. So the way to fix it is to load in your integrated graphics and then load in your NVIDIA graphics between reboots. I got that working, and then display link just wasn't picking up. I'm guessing because the update overrid the kernel driver that DisplayLink modifies. So I just had to reinstall DisplayLink, and here we are. So hopefully the stream is a little less scuffed than usual. Well, going on. So if I just see into Rustlings, I also did an update on things. So like Brave crashed a little bit earlier. OBS had been running fine, but it picked up my old monitor instead of the new one that I'm using. So if anything seems a bit funky, probably why. And it's because, unlike lots of other people, I only update my laptop on the weekends when I'm actually using it. Anyway, Rustlings. Next. It's Rustlings. Help. There we go. Iterators. Okay, so specifically landed me on here, right? So if I VI into iterators, cool. So make me compile by filling in that. Okay, so we have a mutable vector. So we have let that, which is a vector. So if we just make this a vector as well. Performing operations elements for the selection, searches are essential. This module helps you. Okay, so if I just change this to a vec of new, I'm guessing. Let's have a look. Nice, that one works. I really need to start using the shortcuts correctly. It'll be and whoops. There we go. Oh, god damn it. There we go. Then step 3 is the same, I'm assuming. And oh god, it's this one, avocado, peach, then raspberry, then what is this? Step 4. None. Method not found in vec. Iter.next. Oh, it's an iter. Well, that makes sense, doesn't it? Oh, bloody. That wasn't on here. But it makes sense, you're just called dot iter. So you just do my favorites dot iter. Fruits, yep, dot iter. There we go. So step 1, the variable first is a char. It needs to be capitalized and added to the remaining characters in C in order to return the correct string. The remaining characters in C can be viewed as a string slice using the astro method. Okay. Complete the capitalized first. Input str for c.next, none, string new, sum first. Okay. What was it again? Primitive trial. From digit, okay. Is digit, 2-digit, escape Unicode, escape debug, escape default, then UTF-8, and then UTF-16, encode is alphabetical, is uppercase, is white space. Is there there's a 2 lowercase, so there must be a 2 uppercase, there we go. So just be first. Two uppercase. .2 string. I think it doesn't want 2 string though, but I'll try it. Capitalize first. So hello to hello. (41 to 9). Ah, so that one failed. Okay. So what am I doing wrong? 2 uppercase, okay. Add to the remaining characters in C in order to return the correct string to remain. The remaining characters in C can be viewed as a string slice using Astra. Where's Astra? And move it like that. I really want to see how this is done. Rustling iterators too. Collect as a string plus C as struct. There we go. So it uses dot collect. Collect as a string. Plus C as struct. Apply capitalized first function to a slice of string slices. Okay. So we have it'll be words dot iter, right? Input is a word, is an array of string, right? So it's already like that, right? Then we do let iterator equal that. Then we do call function on iterator. Map. Dot map. Oh, I can do C. No. Alt, this one? No. I'm trying to remember what my no, control shift this? No. FN? This? No. FN shift? There we go. C. To capitalize first with C. Dot collect. Dot collect. I think like that. Okay. Then can I just do the same thing, but then just collect as a string? No? Like, couldn't I do this, right? But then do, that's a vector of a string, right? So I could just pass capitalize words vector. I can pass in the words, right? And then I could just call this, right? Can't do that. Convert vector to string. Rust. I can't spell. Oh, I collected it into a vector of string, right? I can just call collect again as a string. Collect as a string. Into iter. Dot iter. Let's try into iter. There we go. And I just reused everything. Nice. that's a enum, right? I don't remember how I used enums. Yeah, it looks the same. There we go. Let me just check that, it's fine. Not divisible, not divisible error. Oh, I need to... Not divisible error, not divisible error. Just returns A, comma B. There we go. And then otherwise it will return an OK. Of that, okay? Cool. Does it just want... Let me check. Change color. Message, change color. Okay, message, move. Move wants S. And then you just call, which is a point, and that move is a point P. Move position P. Oh, damn it. I think it should be this, maybe. Oh. like that. It's great, isn't it? Okay. Sorry about this, guys. Dividend colon A. Then we've got divisor colon B. There we go. That's one done. Hang on, I'm just thinking. Then I can have A mod B, right? If it's 0, then I'll just return OK, A comma B, right? A divided by B. If it's if I'm trying to think about, how would I handle that? A mod B, right? If it's 0, we want to return OK. Otherwise, we want to see if the value is greater than 0. If it's greater than 0, then let me see how I did matches. It'll be on enums. No, this one. No. If. No. Options. How would I handle that? Because I don't want to add in just another one. Because essentially this is what it'll look like, right? If A mod B is greater than 0, right? Then we return this. Else we will return error of division error divided by 0 Result with list. Okay, so division results is number iter map n divide n by 27, which is just a division result. Then we just want to collect this as test SSS test not divisible and divided by 0. So which ones didn't pass? Test results for list, test list of results, and test divide by 0. Pound it at 10 to calculate the remainder of a division with a division of 0. Those failed. Divide 0 by something not divisible and test success worked fine. Oh, it panicked. Of course he's gonna panic. Cause 0 mod 0. What's 0 mod 0? Zero mod 0. I'm pretty sure 0 mod 0 is gonna be 0, right? Ten mod 0. Infinity, okay. So yeah, that's gonna throw an exception. It will have to be, what did I use? Error handling. It'll be this question mark. Right? So I'd have let calculation equal A mod B question mark, right? If calculation, then I can match on calculation. No. How? Iterators 3? I don't want this. I hate seeing that page. I just want to know how they do this divide function to handle the divide by 0. Okay. Oof, this doesn't even have it. Nah, this isn't it. There we go. Oh, that makes so much more sense. Match on B. If B is 0, just return error divided by 0. Division error, colon, divide by 0. Right? Then, if you got a value, right, you perform an if check if A mod B not equal to 0, you want to do a... Ooh, I know how to make this even nicer. This to that, right? Then you can just have a if A mod B equals 0, then you can just return okay with a divided by B. Else you can just do error division error not divisible. Whoops, there we go. Not divisible error with dividend A divided B. There we go. Oh, divisor. That makes so much more sense when you look at it. Come on. Anyway, this one is to collect all of them as a value, right? So inside of this, yeah, you could just call collect, right? So in this one, I'm pretty sure you could just call collect. right? And then you don't even need to store this as a value. Interesting, why? Okay. Oh, God no. I'm pretty sure I could do this, right? So collect as a result of vec no, it'll be a, because this is a vector, this is a vector, no, this is a result of vector I32 comma division error. This is a I'm not using my finger. This is a result of vector I32's comma division error. This is a vector of result comma division error. I mean a vector of result I32 division error. This is a result of vector I32 division error. If that makes sense. So what I could do is, in this second one, I can do collect as a vector of result with I32 comma division error, right? That's 1, that's 2, that's 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then call that. Ah. Oh, it doesn't even have a bloody return type. Oh, God damn it. That is a vector of result. Oh, I could have just fixed it there. Oh, come on, man. One, two. There we are. Then on this collect, I don't even need all of this because I just moved it. Oh, dang. Oh, do I still need it there? Where is it running into the exception? Oh. There we are. I was thinking, I'm pretty sure I solved that one. I genuinely don't know if I need this. Hang on. Yeah, it still passes. The exception I was seeing was from somewhere else. That makes so much more sense now. Yeah, so if I do on here, I don't even need this anymore. I could just chuck this. Because I can just do an in-place one. So, in here, I could do dot collect. Like that. And then I can do the same thing up here. Do I want it to... Yeah, I'll make it cleaner, it's fine. And then up here, I can do the same thing with collect, right? And then up here, I can just change it from to a result of vec with I32 division error. Oh, whoops. Put it in the wrong place. It is not here. That's there, then this, then this. There we go. Damn. I haven't even done that much. Ugh. Fold and R-fold methods. Factorial of 1. So factorial 0 is 1. Do not use return. Okay. So if num is 0, return... I could use a match. Num is 0, 1. Return 1. Else do... Factorial is just all of them. How is factorial 2? Factorial 4 is just... I think I know what I can do. I can do a match on num, where if num is 0 or 1, I want to go to damn, I don't know if that's gonna it should be okay. Num is 0 or 1, just return 1. Let's see, is that okay? Or I try adding parentheses to match on the tuple or alternatives. I want alternatives. So I want to go 14 down. I want to change this to that, right? Then otherwise, I want to take that value and I want just to do a for loop. So I want to do for. So let me just open up a for loop. So in here, I want to do a for loop from for I equals 1, I less than I greater than 0, I plus plus. Let me just check Rust for loops. That might be a loop expressions. While looks okay. I just need a for n in. Is it possible to do a range? .rev. Oh, nice. For x in num. Let's do 2 to num, right? .rev. Then we just do x. Oh, hang on. I don't even need to reverse. I can just do 2 to a number. You don't need to include 1 or 0 because any number times by 1 or 0 is going. Any number times by 0 is just going to be 0. Factorial doesn't include 0. Any factorial always at least times by 1, so you know that you can just do 2 up till that number. So I can just do 2 up till that number. So I can just do x times. Ooh, hang on. It'll be 2 times. Oh, it's gonna have to be. I'm gonna have to cache the previous number. Ugh. Okay, so it's gonna be. I'm gonna have to have a previous number which is a mutable, which is let my previous equal 1, and then do x times previous. Answer x times previous, I think. Hang on. So we'd have let answer let my answer equals 0. Then we've got previous is 2 times previous, which is 1. Then you'd have x times previous. So let's say we start from 2, we go to 3. Previous number would be 1, right? So 2 times 1, and then you'd update previous. But then you have to cache the answer somewhere. Or you could you'd have previous and then answer, and then you do x times previous. So you'd have answer equals x times by previous, right? So you'd have that, yeah, let my previous equals 1, right? Then you have answer equals x times previous, right? Four times 3 times 2, yeah. then you'd have previous equals x, right? And then all you'd have to do is return answer. I think that's it. So for 24 I got 6, and for 2 I got 0. How? For 24 I got 6. Oh. For 24 I got 12. 12? Okay, hang on. Factorial of 4. Why am I getting 12? So you'd have 2 times by 3, which is 6, times by 4, which is it's 2 times, wait, 4 times 3 times 2. 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24. I do need to do it in reverse. How did I forget bid mass? Come on. Oh, that loop's gonna be wrong. And now I need to do it until 1. Oh, and now, oh. Okay, hang on. I need to rework this. So we're doing from here until 1 because I'm going to be looping all the way. Then because it's in reverse, it needs to go to 1. So I'd have x times by x minus 1. X times by x minus 1. X times by x minus 1? Is that what I want to do? Answer equals num. Answer could equal num, right? Then I know I don't need to... Hang on. I need to think about this now. So... answer is num, right? Then we know we can start from num minus 1, right? So then we'd have answer equals answer times x. Answer times equals x, is that the right answer? Let's see, answer times by equals x, right? Because then I don't need to cache that previous value. It'll continuously update and it'll return answer. I think that's it. I got 8 instead. Why? So let me think. That's got, starts out at 4, then it will loop to 3. No, it'll just do 2. I need, I forgot, I do need that +1, don't I? No, I don't need that +1, I just don't need -1. Because it's gonna do every number up to num, excluding num. So this one I don't need. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this can still be a 2. There we go. Now I just need to look at fold and unfold. VI So this is a current solution I've got. Try not to use imperative. Oh, try not to use for a while. Oh shit. Damn. Num dot iter. Okay. So Rustlings iterate backwards. Rust iterator in reverse. Reverse iterator. Num dot iter. Oh, fudge. Okay, so hang on. So what I'd need is something like num.iter dot rust iterate number. No. No. Ah, damn it. Iterators for Rust. I done it with a for loop as well. And I was like, ooh, I think I can do it. They have factorial? They do! Oh, I'm so dumb. Where's fold? Okay, so hang on. So it'd be 1, 1, 1 to num, right? One, 2 equals n. One, 2 equals num, right? The fold. And let me go back to where the fold was. Fold on 0 to something to something. Okay. So how did they do it? So they done 1 to absolute of a and b, a times b. So why did they do the absolute of a and b? Okay, so then the absolute of a comma b, a times b. Okay. Map is a hash map with strings, key, and progress. Okay, let's define a simple model to track Rustlings exercise progress. Progress will be modeled using a hash map. The name of the exercise is the key and the progress is the value. 2 counting functions were created to count the number of exercises with a given progress. These counting functions use imperative style for loops. Recreate this counting functionality using iterators only. The 2 iterator methods, count iter and count collection iter, need to be modified. Okay, so all it does is it has a count val in map val if val equals and val count plus equals 1. Map is a hash map with string and progress values. Okay. So all I need to do is just map on. So I need to do map dot iter dot fold on okay, hang on, how do I do this? Iter tree contains numerous methods that will be helpful. Return 0 from collections to make the code compile and others test the count iterator. Ah. Filter. Okay, how? V star V dot 1 equals value dot count. Okay. Then count collection iterator. Just clones, extend, iterate. Don't know about that one, Chief. Ah, this one looks better. So it takes value. There's value equals salsa of v. There we go. Dot count. Cool. Then in this one, it does collection dot iter. Then it does dot map with the x count filter, explain value, sum. Oh, whoops. Values, filter, change the letter X, change the letter X. There we go. I did a lot of cheating on this one, and that's just because iterators are very weird in Rust. So now we're on threads. Let me just see where we are. I am most likely going to call it here. I just want to see how far we've got so far. I'm hoping around 80%. 80 or 90 is where I'm hoping we are. And then hopefully tomorrow we'll get this all finished. And then I can start doing PNG me. Ah. So we have 20 something challenges to do, and then we'll be done. So let me just see. Oh, we haven't done Clippy. I don't think we've done conversions. Yeah, we haven't done conversions. So we got Clippy, conversions. I think we need to do functions. No, we done functions. We done generics. Yeah. Hash maps, I think we've done. Yeah. Intro, we've done. Iterators we've done, lifetimes we've done, macros we have not done, modules we haven't done. Oh wait, we've done modules? I do not remember doing modules. Move semantics we've done, options we've done, primitive types we've done, smart pointers we have not done, strings, structs, tests we have not done. Oh, have we done tests? Nice. Threads we need to do, traits I think we've done. Yeah. Variables we've done, and vex we've done. So we just need to do threads, smart pointers, macros. I think we need to do macros from what I saw. Modules. Conversions and Clippy. I think we done. Yeah. Anyway. Thanks for watching. Hope everybody has a nice day. Like, subscribe, enjoy the rest of the day, and peace.